The subject of this video is exporting a list to an Excel spreadsheet. So let's go to the site, select your list, click on Export, Export to CSV. Now let's open File Explorer or Finder, and then we see the file. Then go File, and then Open with Excel. Now, in some cases, you might see an error message with the import, and that is most likely due to formatting in the list that cannot be saved to a CSV or non-alphanumeric characters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.